Welcome to our thorough comparison review of T-Link's Archer 8 and Archer AX90 routers. Let's delve into their key specifications. 1. Wireless. The Archer 8 operates on Wi-Fi 5 standards with AX1900 speeds, offering 1300 Mbps on the 5G band and 600 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band, suitable for medium range coverage in typical 3-bedroom houses. Meanwhile, the Archer AX90 supports Wi-Fi 6 standards, delivering AX6600 speeds with 4804 Mbps on one 5G band, 1201 Mbps on the other 5G band, and 574 Mbps on the other 5G band with its tri and capability and higher speeds. It's ideal for larger homes with multiple connected DZ. 2. Security. Both routers offer robust network security features such as spy firewall, access control, and guest networks. However, the Archer AX90 takes it a step further with advanced security features like WPath3 encryption and comprehensive home shield security, including real-time IAP protection and intrusion prevention, ensuring a secure network environment for your connected devices. 3. Hardware. The Archer 8 features a 1.2 GHz single-core QPU Onyx Gigabit WAN port and 4 Gigabit LAN ports. In contrast, the Archer AX90 boasts a more powerful 1.5 GHz quad-core QPU, Onyx 2.5 GBPUs, Onyx 1 port, Onyx 1 GBP WAN port, Onyx 1 GBP LAN port, and Freaks 1 GBP LAN ports, providing faster connectivity and better performance. Additionally, it comes with more ports and higher speed USB 3.0 support for versatile file sharing options. 4. Software. Both routers support essential protocols like E4 and IB6 and offer advanced features such as parental controls and quality of service settings. However, the Archer AX90 comes with additional features like Home Shield parental controls, VPN server and client support, and USB 3.0 port for enhanced file sharing capabilities, making it a more versatile option for advanced users. In conclusion, while the Archer 8 offers reliable performance and essential features for typical home networks, the Archer AX90 provides advanced Wi-Fi 6 technology, enhanced security, superior hardware specifications, and additional software functionalities, making it a top choice for demanding users and larger households. Thank you for watching our comparison review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights and reviews.